Hi everyone. Welcome to this video about EIM's innovative online Master of Business Administration program. EIM's EU government-accredited MBA program sets new standards in attainability and affordability. Our MBA is attainable thanks to our innovative online learning platform, tailored learning content, individual tutoring, small class sizes, and our outstanding teaching staff. Our MBA is affordable thanks to competitive tuition fees and the option to pay in installments. Our recent student survey has demonstrated the success of our MBA program. Thanks to our didactic approach, we have high graduation rates and excellent learning outcomes. Students are very satisfied with their learning experiences, including our online learning platform and the quality of our international faculty. The Master of Business Administration is an 18 to 36-month program of 90 European credits with master's degree level 7 based on the European Qualification Framework. The MBA can be studied full and part-time. The delivery is online and in English. You can start your studies at the beginning of each quarter.
You study the Master of Business Administration in 3 different phases. Each phase lasts at least 6 months and comprises 30 credits each. In the launching phase, the focus is on the basics such as data science or leadership. In the deepening phase, you deepen your knowledge, skills, and competencies such as hybrid work management or the creation of use cases with AI applications. In the final specialization phase, you will apply your newly acquired knowledge, skills, and competencies to a specific job or industry through live case studies. The Master of Business Administration offers 9 specializations such as renewable energy, which includes live case studies on sustainability, circular economy, ESG criteria, or the switch to renewable energy. Financial services includes live case studies on venture capital and private equity, mergers and acquisitions, fintech, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain. The healthcare specialization covers live case studies on pharmaceutical, medical device, and healthcare companies. And as a final example, the manufacturing specialization focuses on live case studies on manufacturing, Industry 4.0, digitization, IoT, and operations.
The modularity and flexibility of the MBA program allows learners to do the courses when they need them. You may start your learning journey with a course of 5 credits such as digital marketing because you plan to start your career in social media marketing. You then delve into finance to learn how to manage your marketing budget and data science to improve the quality of your market research. After 6 courses or 30 credits, you may earn a postgraduate certificate, after 60 credits, a postgraduate diploma, and finally, after 90 credits, the Master of Business Administration. According to our Pay What You Use policy, you will pay for each course when you take it. This helps you spread your education costs across the entire learning journey. Our Master of Business Administration, as well as its exit qualifications, benefit from all our advantages, of which I would like to highlight the following. You can choose between part-time or full-time studies and apply for study holidays. You can take courses online to save on travel expenses and reduce your carbon footprint. Our recognition of prior learning and professional experience policy allows you to learn what you don't know and not to repeat what you have already learned. It also allows EIM to welcome learners with years of work experience and non-traditional education. EIM's programs are all government accredited, and remember our excellent affordability and attainability. Please find more information about your advantages and the MBA program on our website, EIM Point Education. Now, it is your turn.
Go on our website, EIM Education.
And click the Apply Now button to start your enrollment process.
Thank you. See you at EIM.
See you at EIM.
See you at EIM.